And welcome back to another video. This is CryptoKoinz, and it's been a while, guys. It's been a while. I've been tracking and investing in Ethereum this whole time. I do have a Ethereum position. I used to do a lot of DeFi projects. I'm sure a lot of you followed me for those projects where we're getting crazy gains and returns on Ethereum based blockchain DeFi projects. We were also doing Binance, BNB blockchains, AVAX. I mean, it was the gold rush a few years ago, and my channel boomed at that time, but it's a completely different market nowadays. There was yield on different dApps, different exchanges. It was a very exciting time, but the conditions are different. And let's take a look at some of the top coins right now. Bitcoin, obviously, if you guys been following it, rallying to 100,000. Ethereum has been a complete sleeper during this rally. We also have XRP rallying with some of the president's news, also giving it a little boost. XRP getting some love here in the blockchain, but I want to focus a little bit on Ethereum because it is a token that I am invested in at the moment. I did have a Ethereum bot trading, so that's pretty cool, and I just been doing a little bit more safer trades. So for this video, I'm going to buy one whole Ethereum. I think it's at a phenomenal price, and I made this account specifically for this Ethereum position for these videos going forward. So I'm going to cost average down into Ethereum if it continues to fall down. At the moment, ETH is trading at 1,919. I have 1,925 USDT, and I want to buy one Ethereum here. Let me buy it at the spot price, and I want to buy one ETH. So I'm going to click here one. That's going to cost me 1,919. I have enough to cover that. I'm basically buying it at market price for the sake of the tutorial. Going to buy ETH. And just like that, I got filled. And I just realized that I'm partially filled. I didn't fill completely. I'm going to leave the open order. Just leave it open. Eventually it'll fill. I'm sure it will. I highly doubt I struck the bottom here. So, ETH, obviously it's volatile. All these cryptos are volatile. So I'm filled at 78% of my limit order, and I'm just going to leave it set. I'm sure I'll fill eventually. So I will be at the spot price of 1,919 with 64 cents for one ETH. Also, I've been looking around for different dApps. Guys, so comment down below if you guys know like a aggregate kind of dApp finder, like dApp Radar or something similar like that, where we can find some of these dApps. I'm looking around. The ones that I used to use before, one of them's not around, and I'll be sharing more and more projects, and I'll be a little bit more active again. I never left crypto, and although I haven't been posting videos, and I was posting different kinds of videos, I still follow the markets. I still follow crypto markets, stock markets. I'm still invested, and I'm still doing things where I'm looking for some yield, just like the rest of us. So Ethereum at the moment is at 1,929 trading here. I'm using CoinGecko to pull these charts. Why I'm so excited and like I got off my seat and I'm inclined to do this video is because this is a perfect time to jump in here in Ethereum. It rallied to like 3,000. Here we have almost 4,000 in December. Big rally. And we're crashing down again. Now, it would have been easy for me to jump on this bandwagon when it was rallying. But I didn't. Right now, I see the opportunity. And we're at 1,929. Now, there is a lot of, geopolitical problems, potential wars, new presidents, things happening with Ukraine, Russia, and the US with tariffs. There's a lot of uncertainty, and this is why I'm gravitating to crypto again. There is a lot of things happening in this world as of now. As long as we have access to be able to have our DeFi wallets and our blockchain currencies, I feel that we have some sense of freedom. Also here, we're seeing that it's not breaking the 4,000 mark as Bitcoin rallied to 100,000. This is lagging a little bit. And there is different things happening with Ethereum, but overall, I'm a big follower of Ethereum because it is the gateway to DeFi. And DeFi has opened up the doors to a lot of people in different projects and yield earning products. Instead of going to your bank and putting your savings on a CD or something that gives you, 5-7% returns in 1 year, locking up all kinds of money to a bank. Here you have total control and freedom, getting a DeFi wallet, investing in some of these steps where you can get 7% easily in a month or 2 months. Obviously, sometimes it's not sustainable, but you can easily get those returns and roll over into other projects. So that's the whole point of this channel, to find some good yielding projects. And I am following Ethereum for now, and until I see other interesting projects, I'll be bringing those up to everybody's attention. I've seen some BNB projects, just something that we can get, our feet wet, get in there early. That is very key in some of these dApps. Get in there early. If you get early, you are risk off. As more people join projects, then you guarantee your returns and recouping your initial investment. That's what this whole game is about. Recouping your initial investment, being risk off, slowly recouping your investment through your gains. This way, it's a little bit safer and less risky. And on the latest Ethereum news, Ethereum's long-term accumulation could be at risk if price falls below the $1,900 mark. Ethereum dropped below the $2,000 mark, reaching its lowest level since October 2023. That's about a year and a half ago. A significant amount of Ethereum, approximately 3.56 million Ethereum, was accumulated between the $1,900 mark and the $1,843 range, forming a strong support zone. If Ethereum's price falls below this range, it could trigger panic selling from long-term holders, leading to a broader market sell-off and potentially causing a deeper price correction. Despite these concerns, some analysts believe the current market conditions don't necessarily indicate a bearish trend for Ethereum. Factors like the rise of real-world asset adoption and Ethereum's growing role in decentralized finance, DeFi, and blockchain-based applications provide long-term support for the cryptocurrency. These developments continue to drive Ethereum's value and can help mitigate the impact of short-term price fluctuations. Moreover, Ethereum's ongoing technological advancements, such as the transition to Ethereum 2.0, further strengthen the long-term outlook. The shift to proof of stake consensus mechanism is expected to improve scalability and sustainability, making Ethereum more attractive for investors. In summary, while Ethereum faces potential short-term risk of its price drops below the 1,900 level, the broader market trends and its increasing use in real-world applications suggest a positive long-term outlook. Investors should stay alert to price movements, as any sustained decline could trigger further selling. But overall, Ethereum's future remains promising, bolstered by adoption and technological progress. That is the latest on Ethereum's news. There's a huge support here between the $1,800 and $1,900 mark, and I just bought on the low 1900s. I accumulated 1 ETH. Yeah, like I mentioned before, this is a great time to buy. Comment down below, guys. Let me know what dApps you're in, or which aggregators you're looking at to find new projects. Let me know. I'll give it a review. I'll check them out. Let's do it together. Thank you, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.